Welcome to the French Drainman channel. I have an announcement, a new part. We have a tee that's a special tee. You may not have ever seen anything like this. It's a 4x4x3. You have a 4-inch main trunk line, and you could use a 3-inch branched lines to your trunk line. Here's our 3-inch. It's our 4-slot staggered. It looks just like our 8-slot inlets. Absolutely insane how much we've opened this pipe up. Now, DIYers and contractors can use a 3-foot wide fabric in 4-ounce, dig an easy DIY or a nice, what we like to call as contractors, a type B system. If we go in there with our 4-inch systems and we're digging a really deep, wide trench, and we quote it, and a homeowner said, hey, this ain't in the budget. Is there any way we can do anything that's less expensive? Well, yes, we can put in a 3-inch system. We don't have to dig out as much dirt. We don't have to haul away as much dirt. We don't have to bring in as much stone. The fabric is not 5 foot now. It's now a 3-foot fabric. So this, you'd use a 3-foot by 4-ounce, that's what you want, fabric for your French drain. Now, your branched lines, all your branched lines would be 3-inch, and then this goes to a 4-inch. You bump up your trunk line, your main trunk line. So you could run this in whatever you want. It depends on how your system's going to be installed. It can be 8-slot, and your trunk line can be taken in water until you get to the point to where you're just discharging it now somewhere safely, and you're no longer collecting, and then you can go to a solid. You can go to knife cut instead of solid, and still put fabric down and a little stone so you can leach some of that water away and get rid of some of the water that way as it's finding its way to the area of discharge. But this fitting makes us better. This fitting makes yard drainage better. We keep trying to bring more parts and products to the industry to help make the industry better. This is a great DIY fitting. And this is even a really good fitting for contractors when you go out and you quote a job. And the homeowner says, don't you have something that's less expensive? This is a great B system when you're just running 3-inch pipe with 3-foot wide 4-ounce fabric opposed to a 5-foot wide fabric and a 4-inch system where you're digging out more dirt, hauling it away, bringing in more stone is just more money. So you can always give your customers that Mac Daddy system that they're, perhaps asking you for. But every once in a while, when you have that client that says, hey, this ain't in the budget, what's my choices? You guys have like a B system, so to speak, one that works really well. It's just not overkill like you typically build with. And that's what this fitting allows us to do. All right, everybody, if you like the yard drain products that we're bringing to the market, give me a thumbs up. It shows that you really appreciate what we're doing. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.